Are you still struggling with any of these facility management challenges? Missed maintenance schedules, poor tracking of procurement and inventory, budget overruns, or difficulty managing vendor tasks, contracts, and performance? Then, Instanta Facility software is exactly what you need. Instanta Facility is a comprehensive all-in-one management software offering web and mobile tools for enterprises to track maintenance, operation, and total cost of ownership of facilities and critical assets. Here is how we can help you and your team stay organized and deliver world-class service. Our work management module provides your team with the right tools to swiftly plan, schedule, and assign work requests, work orders, and preventive maintenance tasks. You can also manage all vendors' quotations, contracts, and evaluate their performance. All your assets can now be managed in a single comprehensive interface. This includes the location, maintenance history, performance metrics, and depreciation data. You can now minimize leakages, be in control, and gain visibility when procuring, storing, and issuing inventory items. You can now manage your finances better, manage budgets easily across different facilities, offices, and asset categories. That's not all. Instanta Facility also features tools for managing space bookings, visitor access, and property leases. Over the years, Instanta has empowered businesses across diverse industries, including financial institutions, educational institutions, energy sector, manufacturing, FMCGs, agriculture, construction and mining, residential estates, and more. Instanta Facility is available on mobile and web, ensuring you can track your facility and assets anytime, anywhere. Take control of your facility today. Visit our website for more information. Contact sales at Sysserve.com or visit www.sysserve.com. That is www.sysserve.com to request a free demo and get started.